Okay, hello guys, welcome to my PC setup. Okay, I have streaming PC on CSGO and some low games. Okay, one monitor have full HD, is full HD, 60 Hz. My monitors don't have G synchronization. You don't give G synchronization. Okay, we get on look at this computer. Okay, my PC case. Okay, my PC case have USB for this restarts, tune off. Okay, get look on my case. Oh, that's sexy. Beautiful light. These connectors, these cables, it's beautiful. Okay, let's get look in case. Okay, I have 5 ventilators. One is central. This is that's water ventilator on processor. Okay, and this 4 ventilators, 2 ventilators, and that there is 2 ventilators. Okay, look at these ventilators. It's big ventilators. Blue light is my favorite color. Blue. My graphic card, GTX 1060, and this is 8 GB RAM. Okay, this cooler is processor Intel i5. This is CD-ROM. This is beautiful case. Okay, get look on monitors. On one monitors I have tablet. It's my games, my documents, my programs, and what other. Okay, this is my 2 monitors. On this monitor I have stream or internet when I playing. Okay, and this is slow, and thank you guys for views in my video, and hello.